Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So I want to take a little sidestep off of our Mate XS coverage and hop on Tesla. It's been a little while since I touched on them. I've been super happy with my 2020 Model 3. For those of you that follow my channel, you probably have seen everything that I've been doing in regards to the Model 3. I have a bit of an update today, and I did not even want to wait to really do a more thorough video for you guys. I wanted to throw this out there courtesy of Electric. They have a couple of really cool articles that just got posted, and this isn't even the most exciting one personally. This is awesome, but the first article is Tesla is aiming to release autopilot for intersections in just weeks in the US. So I am actually based in the US. For those of you that follow my channel, you know this. So I am excited about this. There's been video footage of the early access program members having this already, where the full self-driving package has actually stopped and reacted to stop signs and traffic lights. So this is awesome. And now they're saying that this is not even very far away. It can be released in just weeks in the US. As you can see here, it says now the CEO, Elon Musk, has said that the release of the wider fleet is going to happen within a few weeks, but it could take months or more for other markets. So that is awesome, and the first bit of information I wanted to touch on. Not too much else in regards to that. What I'm super excited for is actually this right here, and this is actually live already in the latest 2020.12.5 software. Tesla is finally letting us review Sentry mode footage and Tesla cam footage right on the screen in the car. Finally, we don't have to worry about transferring this over or wirelessly connecting and watching it differently. It is purely naturally baked inside of the new Tesla software. So this is, like I said, actually live right now. This is actually in that model in the early access program. You can see right here in the traditional software update screen what it would look like for the dash cam viewer. It shows what looks like all 4 cameras surrounding the vehicle and the front facing camera right there, and it does give you a pretty good breakdown of how this works. You're basically going to hold down on the light or the logo at the top of the top right screen to play it when in parked, and then if you're driving, it'll traditionally just save your footage. Very cool, super exciting. Finally, this seems like it's long overdue. It's been waited on and asked for quite some time. If you guys want to read up more thoroughly on these articles, go check out electric.co, and they have a big write-up on that. I have seen rumors and actually a little more of this extended what's new in this update screen for other updates. There's another substantial one right below this as well. I'm not going to touch on here because I don't have any concrete details on. I do, however, not know anyone personally in the early access program. If you guys are there, let me know. Reach out to me in the comments below or message me what else there is. I'm very curious to see. Unfortunately, I'm not part of it myself. I wish I got in on that early boat, but obviously I was a later adapter and have not been so fortunate for that. Aside from that, guys, that is really it right now for this update. I haven't heard specifically when 20.12.5 is coming out. I think we're on 2020.12.1 right now, so it should be in the very near future. Very exciting to see. Also, guys, if you don't know, I do have my Twitter handle set up finally. It's at Phones and Drones. Go at us. We're going to be doing a lot more behind the scenes footage with our Tesla and some future projects we have in regards to that, and also our other phone coverage as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy. Stay safe out there. We will catch you in the next one. Peace.